Oh, I can't. I should probably give this to you because I should have sat in front of you. Huh? Are we gonna tip over? Here.
Joseph.
Hey, Choo Choo.
It's a big, good piece of grass. Yeah, it's like a yard.
Ooh. Is that tunnel? Look, Joseph. Whoa, this thing's like trolley. Tunnel. Hey, cool. Doctor must have a fun time every day. Good job. The man. Whee! Look over here, Joseph. Huh?
It's a Burma shave. It's an old billboard thing. I'll explain it to you.
Say Choo Choo.
Burma shave is one of the original.
Whee! Oh, it's going faster.
We used to advertise on billboards where like one billboard would say a part of the puzzle and you had to keep reading different billboards every mile or so.
Look, Joseph. Look at the camera. Camera, say hi, Choo Choo. Go Choo Choo, you gotta go Choo Choo.
Wow, here we go. Was there another one?
Yeah.
Ah, I missed it.
For another $6, you could ride it and look at it again. Ooh, a bridge or something. Chula Vista. Oh, past Chula Vista.
This thing moves along pretty quick here.
Rabbit, rabbit.
National City. There's a bunny.
Mr. Bunny. I think we're gonna go through the tunnel, Joseph.
Okay.
You ready for the tunnel?
Look up. Here comes the tunnel. Look.
Look at that. They made a tunnel right through that mountain in the way of the train track. Escondido. Yay! Yay! Still recording. Oh, wait.
Take my knees out of my chin.
Okay.
Is that fun, Joseph? Is that fun? Joseph, was that fun? Tiger.